Creating a shared folder in Google Drive is a straightforward process that enhances collaboration and file sharing among groups. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can easily create shared folders, inviting others to contribute, review, and collaborate on various projects. This guide will provide a step-by-step walkthrough on how to create a shared folder in Google Drive, ensuring efficient collaboration and easy file sharing. Step 1. Signing into Google Drive. To begin, ensure you have a Google account, and sign into Google Drive by visiting drive.google.com. Enter your login credentials, such as your email address and password, to access your Drive. Step 2. Navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Drive homepage. Here, you can see all your saved files and folders. To create a new folder, click on the A+ New button located at the top left corner of the homepage. Step 3. Creating a new folder. After clicking + New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Folder to create a new folder. You can give your folder a name, such as a group project, to make it easily identifiable. Step 4. Opening the folder. After creating the new folder, it will appear in your Google Drive's homepage. Double-click on the folder to open it. Inside, you'll find an empty space where you can add files or documents. Step 5. Configure the folder's settings. To share the folder with others, right-click on it and select Share from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will open, allowing you to edit folder sharing preferences. Step 6. Setting the sharing options. In the dialog box, add the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the folder with. You can also control their level of access, either can view, can comment, or can edit, depending on the level of collaboration you wish to allow. Step 7. Notifying collaborators. By default, an email will be sent to the people you shared the folder with, alerting them about your invitation. However, if you want to send a custom message, you can include personalized text in the Add a Note section. Step 8. Adjusting advanced sharing settings. For extra control over your folder's sharing settings, click on the Advanced button in the Share Settings dialog box. Here, you can manage permissions, control whether collaborators can reshare files, and even set an expiration date for shared access. Step 9. Adding files to the shared folder. Now that your shared folder is set up, you can begin adding files to it. Simply drag and drop files from your computer into the open folder or click on the A+ New button within the folder to create new documents directly in Google Drive. Step 10. Collaborating within the shared folder. With the shared folder in place, all collaborators can now access, view, edit, or comment on files within the folder. Changes made in real time will be visible to all collaborators, fostering seamless teamwork and efficient collaboration. Since the folder is already shared, any documents that are placed inside this folder will be automatically shared. This saves a lot of time. Copying an email's text to Google Docs and linking into Google Sheets. Many of us use emails for communication and collaboration. However, working with long email threads can sometimes be challenging, especially when we need to collect and organize information. Thankfully, Google Docs and Google Sheets offer a solution by allowing us to copy the text from an email into a Google Doc and then easily linking it into a Google Sheet. This process can greatly enhance productivity and streamline our workflow. To begin, one must have a Google account and access to both Google Docs and Google Sheets. After logging in, open the desired email we wish to copy the text from. With the email open, highlight and copy the relevant text. Then, open a new Google Doc by clicking on the plus icon in the upper left corner and selecting Google Docs. Once the Google Doc is open, paste the copied text into the document using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V for Mac users. After pasting the email text into the Google Doc, it might be necessary to format and edit the content to ensure clarity and organization. Use headings, bullet points, and font formatting to structure the information in a way that is easy to understand. Additionally, inserting images or diagrams can help illustrate concepts or enhance the document's visual appeal. Once the Google Doc is formatted, the next step is to link the document into a Google Sheet. Open Google Sheets by clicking on the plus icon and selecting Google Sheets. Create a new sheet or open an existing one, depending on your needs. Within the Google Sheet, navigate to the cell where you want to insert the link to the Google document. Right-click on the cell and select Insert Link. In the pop-up box, click on By URL, paste the URL of the Google Doc into the appropriate field, and then click Apply. By linking the Google Doc into the Google Sheet, we can now navigate between the two seamlessly. Clicking on the link in the Google Sheet will open the linked document in a new tab, allowing for easy access to the full email text. This integration allows us to collect, organize, and present information from emails in a structured way, making it easier to refer back to the relevant content without searching through a cluttered inbox. In conclusion, copying an email's text to Google Docs and linking it into Google Sheets is a powerful tool that Google users can utilize to improve their productivity and organization skills. By following a few simple steps, we can efficiently transfer email content into a Google Doc, format it for clarity, and then link it into a Google Sheet for easy access.